This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites, a modern NVIDIA GPU and current drivers, because drivers provide compatibility and stability. Once done, update the game and Windows to avoid shader mismatches. This prevents frame stutters. Now open the game's graphics settings or developer console, since that's where FSR or generic upscaling options live. Make sure to note your native resolution and target frame rate, because you'll pick an FSR mode that balances sharpness versus performance. Proceed to apply the first upscaling preset. Next, choose an FSR preset, quality for image fidelity, performance for higher FPS, or balanced as a compromise. This choice controls internal resolution scaling. Then adjust sharpening moderately to recover detail without introducing artifacts. You do this because over-sharpening creates halos. Once configured, run a consistent scene or benchmark to compare native versus upscaled output. Make sure to watch FPS and frame time as you tweak, because smoothness matters as much as peak frame numbers. Iterate until visuals and performance match your goal. To finish, save your working profile and test across several maps or levels, since different scenes stress upscaling differently. If you spot ghosting or edge shimmering, reduce sharpening or pick a higher quality preset, because that directly affects reconstruction. Once satisfied, lock your settings and monitor long play sessions to ensure thermals and frame pacing remain stable. If problems persist, try driver rollback or verify game files. One key troubleshooting tip is to reset GPU settings to defaults before reinstalling drivers, as custom tweaks often cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.